Welcome to Material Indicators. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Timescape Levels Indicator to identify key resistance and support levels and mitigate risk. Timescapes may actually be the most basic form of technical analysis you could ever imagine, and you don't need to know how to do technical analysis to use it. As the name suggests, Timescape Levels uses time-based levels to illustrate key resistance and support levels. The Timescape Levels Indicator marks and labels yearly and quarterly opens, and the first week of those time periods. This may sound ridiculously simple, because it is, but don't underestimate that simplicity, because as you can see at a glance, Timescape levels work accurately and consistently across time frames. To set up your TradingView chart with the Timescapes indicator, simply go to the Add Indicators button and choose from Invite Only Script submenu. Then, right-click on the price column and make sure that Scale Price Chart Only is selected. This will ensure that the chart scales perfectly and seamlessly as you zoom in and out. If you'd like to adjust colors and line textures, click the Settings button and adjust to match your preferences. Once you see Timescape levels marked and labeled on your chart, you're instantly going to see how consistently and accurately they identify key resistance and support levels. Simply put, yearly and quarterly opens matter, and the first week of those periods lends valuable insight to the near-term trend. Closes below the trend line tend to be followed by a downtrend, whereas closes above the trend line indicate bullish momentum. You can mitigate a lot of risk in downtrends by simply waiting for price to recover the Timescape level of the current period. Timescape levels may be used to help identify buy, sell, DCA, and stop loss levels. When Timescape levels are clustered together, that forms stronger resistance and support. Likewise, when key moving averages, trend lines, and other technical indicators have confluence with Timescape levels, that also strengthens technical resistance and support. Timescape levels makes it easy to reduce noise, increase clarity, and trade with confidence. Get the Timescape Levels Indicator today at materialindicators.com.